So today we're gonna go back in the past, to my past, and look at some old pictures of me and some old videos. And we're gonna do like a voice comparison, because like I recorded a shit ton of videos back then. I've got so many pics, guys. I've got so many videos. Me pre-T, and then as well starting out on T. And man, this is really crazy. It really is. If someone would show me a picture of me today, I would have never thought. I'll be like, get out, I'm not gonna look like this. Yeah, that's really crazy. It is. A lot has changed. My face has changed a lot. I feel like even my hair changed, and definitely got some eyebrows now as well, isn't it? Wow, okay. This is insane, man. If you follow me on my Instagram, you can see some current pictures, some progress pictures of my physique right now. And looking back at this is crazy, man. I used to be really overweight. I always had an issue with eating too much and binge eating, especially emotional eating. I was eating my feelings, guys, and you can definitely tell. I have a much healthier relationship with food now. I have it under control now, and I feel so much better as well. So yeah, it is really crazy. It is really crazy to see that. Please look at this. This is when I thought I had some gains. What's that, bro? What is that, bro? What is that? Are you thinking you're having some gains? What is that, huh? Bro?
This is my voice one day on T.
I remember I was recording these videos like literally nearly every day, hoping my voice would change, like overnight. I mean, it took about 3 months until my voice was deep, but it was like just gradual, like every time a little bit changed, and then my voice started to break. And yeah, then after 3 months it got deep, and I feel like now 5 years later, I'm nearly 5 years on T this month, well in August, it really feels like my voice got even deeper than it was 2 years ago, which I didn't think would happen, but it did. It really did.
This is my voice 3 weeks on T.
Me just being a baby, man. What was that hair as well? What did I think about it? Did you ever look back on your old pictures or videos or something and you're just like, the fuck are you wearing? The fuck is wrong with your hair? What the fuck, man? Yeah, I think about it all the time. All the damn time. And I look back. But it's alright. At least I have some fashion sense now. But I bet, yeah, I'm gonna look back like 10 years from now. I'm gonna look back at like pictures from today and be like, the fuck? It's always like this, man. 34 days on T.
This is my voice 5 weeks on T.
Wow, you can already hear there is a little bit of change in my voice, which is awesome. Didn't know that was already so quick. 5 weeks on T and it already changed a little bit. Okay, so this pic, yeah, as you can see, I was still quite overweight. I feel like T made it as well a bit more difficult to lose weight, because obviously when you go on hormones, it can fuck with you a bit. It fucked with my emotions, which didn't make the situation better. But I was working out. I was trying to eat good, but it didn't really work out, did it? For everyone out there who's just starting T, and whatever you're going through, don't worry, it'll be alright. I'm telling you, it will be okay. It will take time. It will possibly take a long time until you're there where you want to be, but don't stop fighting for what you want. Seriously, don't stop going after your goals and going after your dreams. If I would have stopped back then, I wouldn't be the person I am today. I wouldn't be sitting here making a video for you guys. On the 31st of August, I'm gonna be 5 years on T. 5 years, man. and I just started figuring out life. I just started figuring out what I want to do and what to do with myself and with my life. Change takes time, and it does take time. I mean, I didn't look the same a year ago. I didn't even look the same 2 months ago. I didn't feel the same 2 months ago. And the truth is, whatever you're going through, you need to go through it to become the person you're supposed to be. Appreciate that you're going through shitty times, okay? Because the hard times are what make you stronger, and you will come stronger out of it. And this is the most important thing you have to keep in mind. We have 49 days on T.
This is my voice, 49 days on T.
Yeah, you can definitely hear the change. This is 60 days on T, guys. And as you can see, I still kind of look the same. It's been 2 months on T, not really much has changed on my physical appearance, like face. No beard, as you can see, yeah. So this is just a proof that things take time, alright? It won't happen overnight. Took me 5 years, man, 5 years to grow this facial hair, to kind of build this body, and to become the guy I am today, to be emotionally stable, to love my life and to love myself. It took 5 years, man. I mean, I am not counting the years before that, because technically it took my whole life to get to this point. But I'm counting the days from the day I got T, okay? Nearly 5 years it took me to get to where I am today. Technically nearly 23 years, you know, but who cares? Take my advice, be patient, alright? Be consistent with what you want to do, with what you are doing. Be consistent with working out, with working on yourself, and you will eventually get there. It will take a long time. For some people it might happen sooner, for some people it will take longer. But don't give up hope. Everything happens for a reason, guys. Everything that you're going through, there is a reason behind it. There's a lesson to learn. And it's up to you if you learn from it or if you make the same mistake again. It's up to you if the hard times break you or if they make you. Alright guys, that's it for today. And as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace.